Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Best Vacuum Cleaners 2025. The monologue introduces a video about the best vacuum cleaners of 2025, focusing on powerful, smarter, and more efficient options available now. It aims to help viewers find the best vacuum to tackle dust and pet.
Top 1.
The Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum is designed for small living spaces like dorms and apartments. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and store. Despite its size, it's effective for daily floor cleaning on carpets and hard surfaces.
Top 2.
The Eureka Power Speed Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a popular choice for everyday home cleaning. It's lightweight and efficient on both carpets and hard floors, making it easy to maneuver and use for quick cleanups. It's a simple and effective option for busy households or pet owners.
Top 3.
The Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum with Triple Action Brush Roll is designed for everyday home cleaning, offering strong performance on various surfaces. It's effective for picking up pet hair and debris, and its swivel design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture. It's a practical option for busy households needing efficient cleaning.
Top 4.
The Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum with Quick Release Wand is designed for reliable home cleaning with convenience. Its compact design is easy to maneuver, and it provides full-size power for cleaning carpets and other surfaces. The Quick Release Wand makes it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas, and its compact size is good for storage.
Top 5.
The Eureka Power Speed Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner is designed for easy cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. It's lightweight and easy to handle, adjusting smoothly between different surfaces. It's a straightforward option for daily cleaning, making it easy to keep your home tidy, especially in households with mixed flooring.
You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.